your rear cross path. So when I'm backing this ass up, all you gonna hear is beep, beep, beep.
You have now tuned into another Jess for TV production.
What's up guys, it's Jess for TV back on your screen, coming to you live and direct with another video. As you can see, I'm back in Space Mountain. I'm back in the Jeep. Comment down below if you know about that BMF or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. It's like, nah, but I'm coming to you guys today with a dope video. You guys, I'm coming to you today to let you know exclusively why I chose a Sahara over all the other trims, over them Willies, over them Rubicons, over them Sports, over them Sport S's and all them other editions. Like, no, it's Sahara for life, a gang gang Sahara. So if you're interested in to see why I specifically chose Saharas, or if you just want to get some facts on Saharas so that you can decide on which trim you would like to purchase, then just keep on watching. Backstory. Okay, so my love for Jeeps actually started when I was about 16 years old. You know what I'm saying? Shorty couldn't really afford one. So fast forward to 2014. I was able to purchase my first Jeep, hey, and I purchased a Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited 2014 X Package Edition, you guys, aka that mountain edition. You know what I'm saying? I had the little mountains in the seats. It was all white with the black aluminum rims with some black trim everywhere. It was an all white hardtop. Like, my Jeep was lit, okay? So now fast forward to 2018, and I was like, you know what, it's time to upgrade. And I bought this big old sexy thing right here, hey, Stingray. So I upgraded to this Jeep. So if you haven't already seen this Jeep tour, my Jeep tour, I'll link the card right here. You should definitely go watch that video. So now let's just jump into why I chose the Sahara trim over all the other trims. Okay guys, so let's jump right into why I choose a Sahara over all the other trims, and I will also be giving you guys some fun, interesting, and cool features about my Jeep. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so first and foremost, the Sahara actually offers a lot of luxury appointments, upgrades, and features than any other trim made by Wrangler. So when I say features, upgrades, packages, all that type of stuff, I'm talking about specifically the electronic infotainment system group. You get your 8.4-inch screen, you get navigation, you get Apple CarPlay, you also get, you know, all this HD radio to include Sirius XM, and you also get the premium sound system with the Alpine speakers, which I showed you guys in my tour. Other upgrades include the LED lighting group. The LED lighting group is also an upgrade. So when I'm coming through at night, all you're gonna see is these blue lights, not the po-po-ho. You also get the active safety group and security. Basically, when you're backing up, you know, you got your parking sense. It also has the, in the mirrors, it has the alert. You also have other upgrades that include, I actually have a cover on it, but you have the leather on the steering wheel. You have the leather all on the dash with the sport stitching. You have the leather on the seats, also has the sport stitching, and also the Sahara logo is sewn into the seats. So you get those upgrades. Also, you get the 18-inch aluminum wheels with the rims. Other upgrades and cool features of my Jeep specifically, I have the push to start, brand new whip, got no keys. Also the universal garage opener, which I use faithfully, the keyless entry, the remote start, and also when I say keyless entry, I actually mean, so as long as you have your key near you or in your purse or on your person or whatever, you kind of just hit this button to lock it and to open it, you kind of just act like you're going to grab the handle and the car will unlock. And you can access that feature on the passenger door, on the passenger side door, on the driver door, and on the door in the back. And also, I'm like a big fan of Saharas because I like big boy toys. And I mean, you can always get you a lift kit and do all that aftermarket stuff. However, a standard Sahara actually sits higher than, you know, the other trims. So I like that about them. Like, my white truck definitely set much higher than a lot of the other trucks on the lot, which is one of the reasons why I purchased it. So yeah, Saharas actually sit a little bit higher off the ground. And this Sahara specifically also has the foot rails because, you know, it's already lifted, number one. Number two, standard is already sitting pretty, you know what I'm saying, it's already sitting pretty high, so that gives it some height. So you need your footboard. Well, I need my footboards to get up in here because, you know, I'm 5'2", and, you know, unless I'm gonna get a running start, there's no way I'm getting in here. So yeah, the footboards is also a great upgrade. Okay, so also one more thing about Sahara, because it has a lot of those luxury upgrades and all that good stuff, Saharas are actually made for on-road driving. They're not for like off-road, like your Rubicons, like your sports and all that good stuff. I mean, I guess you can go mud bogging. However, I'm about this on-road life. Like, I'm out here, I'm just trying to stunt, you know, I don't need all that mud and all that stuff. Yeah, I chose this Sahara. I chose Sahara specifically because they are more for on-road driving. Overall, the Sahara trim just offers more interior and exterior packages that allow for more customization as you go up from your standard truck. And to me, this trim is just more aesthetically pleasing. Like, guys, look at my truck. Like I said, I've had a Jeep since 2014, so I've been about this life or what have you, but this Jeep right here just does something to me. Like, I really can't wait until I upgrade again, low-key. I mean, I love my truck, but I'm all about an upgrade because I really want, I mean, I want a hard top, but I'm pretty sure in the future they're gonna come up with a button and this top just gonna go down into the side panels or something crazy like that, just so you ain't gotta get out to take them off. But I guess that's what makes a Jeep, like really just putting in that manual labor to, you know what I'm saying, take it apart, take your doors off, take your tops off, and all that good stuff. Okay, so guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my take on why Saharas are the best Wranglers. If you got something to say about it, holla at me in the comments. So I hope you enjoy seeing all of what my Sahara Unlimited JL has to offer. I hope this aids someone who is right now indecisive on deciding what they want to purchase in regards to a Wrangler. You know, if you want more off-road, definitely go with the Rubicon. If you want, you know what I'm saying, just more luxury and just more on-roading like I do, go ahead and get you a Sahara, honey. So yeah, I hope this helps someone in deciding what type of Wranglers they want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.